Ryan's got me trying to do it. But its storage is like all messed up, so I don't even know if I could do it. It is hard. It's hard to pay attention. Okay, you're fine. Well, that was a quick one.
See me at the club.
Mm.
I get backwards and I put it on.